Yeah, I just see yellow swirling.
Okay, very good. Is that off the cloud or is that?
Yeah, it's off the cloud.
It's off the cloud. Okay. Describe more. Tell me more.
It's like a whirlwind. Just keeps spiraling.
Very good. What sort of yellow is it?
Got a bright yellow.
Very good. Okay. Do you notice anything else? Anything else around?
No, no, it stopped swirling there. It's just yellow.
Is it yellow light?
Yeah, I think so.
Very good. Okay, that's okay. We can move from there. So let's see. How do you feel with that yellow light? How does it feel? Is it a good feeling? Not so good feeling?
It's good. A little invasive.
Invasive? Okay. Where are you in relationship to the yellow light?
I think I'm in it.
You're in the yellow light. Okay, very good. All right. And so now that the yellow light has stopped swirling, tell me what happens after it stopped swirling.
It's still kind of going, but
It's
not
still
as much.
going. Yeah, that's good. That's okay. So
I'm sort of just stood there.
yeah, you're standing in the yellow light. Very good. So I want you just to look at your body that you have there. Look at your feet. Can you see them? Do you have a body?
I'm not sure.
Just go with what you feel is right. Yeah, maybe you don't have a body. Do you see any feet?
See long toenails, but not human toenails.
Okay, tell me more. Describe them to me. It's okay, whatever. That's the cool part about it. Describe them.
Kind of like clawy toenails, but like a dinosaur or
Very
dragon.
good.
That
Very
kind of
good.
reptilian.
Yes, beautiful. All right, so how many toes do you see?
4.
4 toes. Is it a big foot or a small foot?
Kind of bony.
Bony. Okay, very good. 4. All right, let's go with that. What color is your foot?
Kind of like a browny grey. Kind of.
Browny grey?
Yeah.
And is the foot the skin? Describe the skin to me on the foot.
It's thin.
Yeah.
Rough, but not scaly.
Okay, rough but not scaly. Very good. Awesome. All right, let's move your gaze up at your legs. How do they look?
Scrawny.
Scrawny?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bring your gaze all the way up to your body. Describe your body for me.
Top half is more plump.
Is it still the skin or have you got something on you? Are you wearing some fabric or are you still... What do you notice?
Kind of like furry, but not hairy. I don't know.
Furry? Okay. Interesting, isn't it? Beautiful. What color is that furry hairiness of yours?
It's grey.
It's great. Okay. And do you have something like hands or upper limbs?
I think so.
Just notice how many legs you've got. How many legs do you have?
2.
Very good. You're doing really well. Wonderful. Also let your gaze come up to your upper limbs and describe your upper limbs. Are they long or are they short? Describe them to me.
Shortish.
Shortish?
Kind of
okay.
Scrawny, like
your lower.
yeah, but like wing type.
Wings. So you have wings?
I think so.
Are they attached to your upper limbs or are they separate? They're attached. Okay, very good. How many wings do you have?
2.
2 wings. Describe your wings for me. What do they look like?
Bit like my feet.
Uh-huh.
Scrawny, bony.
Scrawny, bony. Okay. So I'm thinking, is that like a thin skin of wings or is it something more solid?
I think it's a little more solid.
A bit more solid. Okay. So now bring your gaze up to your head. Describe your head for me. What does your head look like?
We get a picture of a bird head.
Okay.
Like more like a bird.
Very good. Very good. Awesome. Bird head. All right. And so do you have feathers on top of your head too?
Not really.
No. Is your head bald?
I think it's a bit like very light, like short.
Short little feathers
or
hairs? Yeah. Very good. You're doing so well. Very good. All right. And so you have a beak? Would you say you have a beak?
I think so.
Uh-huh. Do you have teeth or no teeth?
No teeth.
No teeth. Very good. All right. And just notice, is there anything else on your body? Are you carrying anything? Is there anything on your body? Just allow yourself to receive that information.
The only thing I can see is like a ring.
You have a ring
around one of my feet.
One of your feet. Very good. Are you right or your left foot?
Right.
Your right foot. Describe the ring for me.
Similar to these bird keeping rings.
Metal. Metal? Is it silver metal?
Silver.
Uh-huh. Okay. How do you feel about that ring? Is it good? Or
it's kind of restricted.
It's restricted? Very good. And so just to go back to your upper limbs, do you have claws in your upper limbs or just wings?
Just wings.
Just wings. Just plain wings, yeah?
I think so.
Okay. So let's have a look around. Notice if you see anything around you now. Are you standing on the surface?
Good. Like a rock face front.
Yes, very good. You're standing on a rock face front. All right. And what else is around you? Have a look around. There's some vegetation.
It's a big wall of rock face, like a cliff edge. Like down below there's like foresty.
Very good. And what's behind you, above you? Is there something above you? Does the rock go behind you?
Goes quite high.
Oh, okay, very good. So I want you to look around and see if there's anything closer to you that's significant. Is there anyone with you?
No one else.
No one else?
There is a nest.
Ah, very good. Very good. And so there's no one with you?
No.
So allow yourself just to see, are you male or female?
I think female.
You're female. Very good. And do you have any eggs in that nest, or is that nest empty?
I think there's eggs.
How many eggs do you see?
3.
Do they have a color?
They're turquoise with speckles.
That's nice. So just tap into your feelings there. Just notice how you feel. You've got those 3 eggs there. You're on the side of that rock face. It's the feeling that you have there.
Content.
Yes, you are content.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. And so let's see what happens next. What are you going to do now? Allow yourself to find out what you're going to do next and describe it to me. Are you going? Yes?
I think going over to the nest.
Right.
To sit on it.
Just sit on it. Very good. The Pluto's little babies, right? Very good. And so, what do you do most of the time? Do you sit on your nest, or what do you spend the most of the time doing?
Sitting and watching.
Sitting and watching. What are you watching?
Just the world go by.
How does that feel? Is that nice?
It is.
Do you ever get visitors?
I'm higher up, so not many.
Not many. Are they like you?
Yes.
Oh, very good. And so how do you get fed at this time when you are sitting on your nest? Where do you get your food from?
I have to fly down
Mm.
to where the forest is
And
and feed off other things.
what do you eat?
Other smaller birds.
Oh, I see.
And rats and
Okay, living things.
living things.
Okay, very good. Very good. And do you have a partner, as a male partner in this life?
I think so, but they left.
They left? He did his bit and he's gone, leave you with the eggs? Is that normal?
Yes, I think so.
Very good. Beautiful. Well done. All right, so let's let that scene fade away, leaving that scene now. And let's move to another important day in that life as a bird. a day that you consider to be important when something is happening. Be there now. What's happening?
Kate's giving birth. That's what I got.
Kate's giving birth.
Mm-hmm.
That's all right. Let's go there then. That's where we need to go. That's where we'll go. Just tell me more.
I'm supporting her. I'm at the other end though, looking.
Yes.
Inquisitive.
Right. And notice, is there anyone else there?
It's a hospital, so there's a few other people in there.
Mm-hmm. But it's just you and Kate, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And is it a boy or is it a girl?
It's a boy.
Beautiful. Well, how do you feel?
Happy.
So I want you to just take that into your heart, that your dream will become a reality, that you will have life, the two of you. I want you to put that in your heart and receive it. And there is such a thing as a happy ending. The little born boy is going to challenge you, make you happy, make you angry, all those wonderful emotions. What a beautiful thing. And how does Kate look? Is she good?
She's doing okay.
That's good. Very good. And just notice if there's any other information that we need to get from this scene. Anything else that's important for you to know?
Don't think so.
Okay. All right. Knowing that it's a very beautiful future you're seeing there. Storing it in your heart. We drift away from that scene now. Drifting away. And we go back to the bird and the wall. Allow yourself to go back to being the bird in the wall. Be there now. And so notice, are you there now? Yes, very good. So let's speed up time. Let's see what happens as you're brooding on your nest. Tell me when something significant happens as you move time forward.
Well, they've hatched.
Very
and they're
good.
hungry.
And they're hungry. So who's going to feed them?
Me.
You. Very good. So tell me what you do.
To leave them for a while and go and forage.
Right. Okay. And how do your little ones look?
A little bit like an eagle.
Like an eagle?
Which is strange.
Nice. Very cool. And how do you feel having those little ones waiting for you to feed them? How does that feel?
It's tiring but good.
Tiring but good. Such is new life, isn't it? Tiring, satisfying, but good. Beautiful. All right. So let's leave that scene behind. And let's move to another important day in the bird's life. Be there now. What's happening now?
Flying away, leaving the nest.
Right. How old are your babies?
Old enough to fend for themselves.
And where is it that you go now?
Go find a new New place to live. I'm done.
Very good. So how was that whole experience?
Fulfilling.
Fulfilling. Say it again. How was that whole experience?
It's fulfilling.
Yeah, and I want you to feel the fulfillingness of it. How does that feel? To have fulfilled what you came to do, right? Beautiful. It's a nice feeling, isn't it?
Feel whole.
You feel whole, exactly. I want you to remember that. You feel whole. Very good. Very good. And so let's see where it is that you fly to. Allow yourself to fly away to your next destination. And let me know when you arrive there.
It's coastal.
Coastal?
Yes. To this water.
Right. What you going to do here?
I'm not sure if I will. I'm not sure. I will stay.
Are you choosing your location?
I think so.
Okay. So what are you looking for?
Another place for another nest.
All right. So let's see where it is you find your new nest. Did you find a place?
The rock formation again, but like a little island in the ocean.
Very good. All right. And what are you going to do now that you've found your place?
Just gonna wait.
Who are you waiting for?
Potentially a mate.
Okay. And so let's see who comes to woo you. Who comes to woo you this time around? Is he a different mate than last time?
Seeing seals, so that's not right.
That's okay. Seeing seals is fine. Allow yourself to drift where it is you need to drift to. Tell me more about the seals.
Hanging around the rock formation.
I see. That's not a good thing, is it?
Maybe not.
Are you their dinner sometimes? What did the seals do down there?
They're just bathing on the lower rocks.
Wow. Okay. So let's see what happens next. Go to the next significant event in that life. What is it that's happening now? What's happening now?
I think I might be dying.
Very good. I'm here with you. So allow yourself to feel what's happening. Describe it to me.
Sick.
You're sick? Okay. Is there anyone with you?
No.
Whereabouts are you now?
Still near that rock formation.
You're on the rock formation. Okay. How's your body feeling?
Weak.
Weak. Okay. And what's wrong with your body?
I think I ingested something.
Ah, you ate something. Okay, now you're sick. All right. So allow yourself to feel whatever you need to feel, and if you want to be an observer as your body dies, you can be an observer. And tell me what happens as you're dying. Are you dying alone?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Are you still in the body or are you out of it?
I think I'm out. I can see
Very good.
the bird.
You can see the bird. Very good. And so now whatever has happened has already happened. And you're on the other side of it. And from that position, you can look back at your entire life and see it from a different perspective. And so as you look down at that little bird that you were, you can see, you can learn from it. What do you think your purpose was as being a bird living on those cliffs? What do you think your purpose was?
To nurture.
To nurture. Very good. And did you do that?
Yes.
Very good. And so what do you think your lesson was? Was it the same or was it something else?
I nurtured and had felt fulfillment.
And so I want you to remember that. How nurturing and being fulfilled, how simple it is, isn't it? For caring for those babies and doing your bit. Beautiful, simple, but fulfilling. All right, and so let's see where your soul goes now that you've passed away. Describe to me where you go. What happens to your little soul?
I'm not sure.
That's okay. That's all right. I want you to look up. Notice the white light above you. You notice the white light? There's a white light above you. And you move into it. Allow yourself to drift into that white light. And connect with your spirit guide. So drift into the white light. Letting your soul move along to meet your spirit guide. And be there now. How does your spirit guide appear to you?
Like a child.
Very nice. You know, they appear to us how we best relate to them. What sort of child? How old is he? In your mind's eye, how old is he? You don't have to see the number in your mind.
8.
Very good. Describe him to me. What's he wearing?
Like a white robe.
Very nice.
Gold trims.
Very nice, yes. Very good.